It's a birthday party for Adrian. Surprise, Adrian! I am part of this wonderful birthday collaboration for Adrian, and if you've missed any of the other people, check the playlist below. This sneaky birthday surprise is, of course, hosted and put on by Adrian's wonderful husband, Corey. Shout out to Corey! Let's get this party started. I have mixed up 114 grams of resin, and the resin that I'm using is a 3-2 by Art Pro by Resin Pro. And on my left was my first attempt at the Petri. I got some very fine little hairy things, but not really anything close to the Petri effect. And with that one, I used a 1-to-1 resin. So I thought, maybe I'll try a 3-2, slightly thinner, and maybe I will get a better effect. And the alcohol inks that I will be using for this Petri effect that I am trying only for the second time are the Let's Resin highly pigmented or highly concentrated inks. And I'm also using the Let's Resin Sinker White. And hopefully I will get a better effect. Like with all techniques, there's a lot of trial and error and a lot of practice involved as you go through and try and figure out what resin works best, what depth works best, what alcohol inks work best, etc., etc., etc. It's definitely a lot of trial and error. And this one here is, like I said, my second attempt. And so this time I'm just going over, I believe, 3 times with the same inks, trying to put them in the exact same spot. So I'm layering those inks one on top of the other and going around, like I said, 3 times to try and make sure that the whole thing is really covered and that there is perhaps a little bit of stickiness, if you will, with that alcohol for when I put the Sinker White in. And what's really cool about the technique, well, to me, what's really cool about the technique is once you put that white in, there's this cauldron type effect that goes with it. It just bubbles and boils and toils. This should almost be a Halloween type thing, but it does not turn out anywhere close to being a Halloween type of effect. In fact, it's so super cool. So let's talk about my good friend Adrian. Adrian is such a force of light, and I know that he's been through some dark times. I know he's talked about it very openly, but he's one of the most positive, fun-loving, gregarious people that I know, and I am so proud to call him a friend. I am just ecstatic to have him around, and when I get a chance to watch his and Corey's videos, they never fail to give me a smile. Now, not only is Adrian a creative when it comes to the art field, he's also creative in so many other areas of his life. I mean, you gotta love a guy who jokes around. So you gotta have creativity to be joking around. He does fluid art. He's a master editor. Like, come on, anyone who has seen the videos that they put out know that Adrian is the editor-in-chief of Art's Really Cool. And if you haven't seen them, please make sure that you check out their YouTube videos. I will have their link in the description below, and you will not regret it. They're such a dynamic duo. They have fun with each other, they have fun with their audience and their viewers. Where was I? I got lost. Oh yeah, talking about the creative that Adrian is. So, in addition to everything that I've just mentioned, One thing that you guys may or may not know is that Adrian is an amazing singer. Yeah, who knew, right? Because he doesn't really sing very much. Oh, he dances. He's got some moves, but he sings. And I would like to encourage him to perhaps sing a song every once in a while in his videos. He is apparently so good that he could have made a profession out of it, but chose a different path. But that doesn't mean that singing isn't a part of his life. So I thought I'd share that little tidbit with you all. Now, Adrian, I know you're watching this, so I hope you're having a fun surprise collaboration in your honor. And just know I'm sending you big hugs, and you gotta give Corey a big hug too for everything that he did to honor you. Now let's watch this resin bubble and move and do its thing. It's fascinating. Adrian loves a good time lapse, so here we go. Here's the replay on fast forward, just for you. Okay, it's not just for you. I love a good time lapse too, and I'm sure there's lots of other people who do as well. But this one was done especially for you, Adrian. Wow, this got really dark. I like the colors in through here though, the sides. Not sure if anything happened. Oh, it did. Oh, we're getting there. Oh, that's really cool. I wonder what's up with that. Maybe the white was too close. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, so I want that without that. How cool. Check it out. Yowzas. All right, can I improve on this? I think I can. I'm gonna try. I absolutely love how this piece came out. And as an added bonus, there's a lot of green in it, which is perfect for Adrian as it's his favorite color. Happy birthday, Adrian. Have a wonderful day of celebration. Thank you all for being here and watching. And again, if you missed any of the other birthday collaborators, make sure you check out the playlist and go back and watch. Bye for now. Yeah.